Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I've been getting a lot of questions from viewers and stuff on the progress going on from the water damage here in the house. So I'll give you a quick update here. I was able to get all of the insulation tucked in there, 18 inches deep insulation. I had to lift up the plumbing pipes and stuff and put it down in there and got it all solidly put in there. And I was able to get the boards cut and put in, and it's in there good. It's all set up. It's ready for the next step here. But first, before I do that, I gotta finish on the other side. So I gotta move the washer and dryer out of the way, insulate, and cut the one sheet of plywood for that one and get that one done. I was able to get the drywall to repair this. It's a real thin drywall. Home Depot said, oh yeah, we got it on their website and everything, going, oh yeah, we got it. Where is it? They couldn't find it. They supposedly had like 100 sheets of it and they couldn't find any of it. So I went over to Lowe's, and they had it, but it was up high, so they had to get a forklift to get it down for me. We got it, and I was able to pick it up during one of the breaks between the rainstorms up here, so I was able to get it home into the shop without it getting damaged from the rain. So tomorrow I'm going to work on that one over there, that side, get that all done, and then I will put the drywall in here, and then I'll start putting in the cabinets, which have been sitting over here in the living room, and I will get this all done hopefully by next Saturday if I'm lucky. So we got that done. One of the things, other problems I am noticing here, this likes to curl up, and what was interesting is none of this in here is glued down. Everything in the laundry room area was glued down tight and everything was, but all around the edges, it wasn't glued down. I used some spray adhesive in that corner back over there, got that to lay down, and it's still starting to peel back up. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I got to get some good adhesive to put underneath this. Right now I've got a board laying on it to force it laid back down flat because it was really curled bad there. So once I get that done and I get that in there, my wife said just to get a piece of one of those throw carpets or whatever, pieces you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm going to put a piece over here over the edges and use some carpet tape to hold it in place so no one trips on the edges here. And then we're going to figure out what we're going to do later. We may, when she gets ready to move up here, get the all the linoleum in here changed out, and maybe she's thinking about maybe getting tiles on the floor or something like that, or I don't know, maybe even getting some new hardwood flooring stuff that can be used in the kitchens and stuff, and doing the whole kitchen area. We'll see what happens though, but right now doing the best we can. And with that, I'd like to remind everybody, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including water damage. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, especially coming in the wintertime. Don't need to be speeding in the rain. And most important of all, keep on prepping. Keep your pantry full. And I'll see you in the next video.